Yeah, I don't know how good this is coming through, but this unit, it woke me up because I heard this like tinging and tanging, and it's hitting, something's hitting the fan, or the fan is hitting something inside there. I looked around and you can see this was the one that was freezing the last time we talked, and it's not freezing, but the one next to it looks like it's freezing pretty solidly. So just, I don't know if you can hear that noise or not, but that's what's, and you can kind of see inside. It's like completely frozen all around, even the tank there. So I think it's, I'm not an AC repairman, and I don't play one on TV, but I think this one's got the same problem the last one had. Maybe the defroster part of it's not working, because it's, all three sides are frozen except the side facing the house. You can see inside, it's like solid ice in here. Hope you can see that. So just look at that. It's like this steady tinging. So anyway, yeah, that's not right. Shouldn't be doing that. So I'm not going to bother you tonight with it, but at least you have some idea what's going on. I'll give you a call in the morning. All right? Talk to you later. Bye.